Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to be doing a really quick painting of a Bespin security guard action figure from the vintage Kenner Star Wars line. This was an action figure that came out after Empire Strikes Back. But the reason I'm painting him is I wanted to share with you guys that prior to this quick painting, I had tried to do a landscape painting, and it didn't go very well. So I took a little break, and then I came back and tried to paint the landscape again, but a little bit different, take my time a little bit. And the second one didn't work out either. And I was pretty disappointed that neither one had turned out very well. I'd been thinking about them off and on all day, kind of going over in my mind how I was going to paint them and the colors and whatnot. So I was pretty excited to get home and get to try it, and neither one of them worked. So I was kind of bummed, kind of disappointed. So I didn't want to end the day on a downer. So I thought, just to kind of pick myself up a little bit, I would pick out one of my action figures I have here and just do a quick little ink and watercolor painting and just have something, something that turned out good for the day. And so I thought I'd share with you guys that. I mean, it's not super detailed or any kind of wonderful watercolor painting, but I just wanted to just share with you guys that not everything always turns out great. But I didn't want to end the day on a disappointing note. So I got a little Bespin Guard sketch. Can't go wrong painting some Star Wars figures, and it's always fun sketching the old action figures. And this one I just started with the really rough pencil outline, and then I did the inks and the watercolor. And my action figure is actually kind of scuffed up, but I didn't do all the little paint chips and whatnot, just because I was trying to do something quick. And so there you go, Bespin. I think it's a Bespin security guard from Cloud City, Empire Strikes Back action figure.
Hey guys, hope you liked that video. Thanks for watching. If you did like it, go ahead and hit a like down there for me or subscribe. And if there's anything you would like to see me draw, just leave a comment and I'll get right to it and give you a shout out. Thank you very much. Have a good day.